and also your plant expansion from 5 million.
5 lakh pieces to a million pieces, we will be doing it in a couple of months.
That is in Rio switches.
Yes.
Yes.
So how much are you investing in that?
We have invested close to around 60 crores in the manufacturing of switches.
Rio switches.
Yeah.
You have mentioned that there are about 7,000 outlets available all over the state, Tamil Nadu. So how evenly they are spread? Like it's a cluster somewhere or evenly spread all over the
It's
state?
evenly spread, sir.
No, let me just clarify you. What I mean to say is 7,000 outlets. There are 7,000 outlets where we would be present. There are more than 7,000 outlets in the state. But at this point of time, we are not present in all the counters. We were mainly focusing on the major towns. This year, we have formulated a strategy to go to Tier 2 and Tier 3 towns. And with a product like Rio, which is costing you starting from 20 rupees, it would be easy for us to enter into the small retail counters. Like any electrical shop, even if you see, he has got this KitKat switch, which is costing you 10 to 15 rupees or 10-12 rupees and all. With the presence of Rio, we would be able to enter into those shops easily, so that he gives material worth rupees 500 rupees or 1000 rupees. But at this point of time, since we were not having this product range and we were into the modular switches, we were not. It was not easy for us to enter into those retail.
You know very well, sir. From Kanyakumari to Karaikal, there are a lot of places where our presence is very, very light. And counters also. In last time also we discussed the same subject. So that almost everywhere we are present. With this, we have just been said by Rajan sir, then we will be more present.
It is easy for a salesperson to go and tell to a retailer, you spend 500 rupees, take this 50 switches, start with Havells. So once he tastes Havells service, then he will start selling CFL, fans, you have got WAT, you have got other products, MCBs. Then the relationship starts with a single step.
How big is
And
the
you know your
market?
entire market well.
Pardon?
How big is the market? How much is the market for that? If you have done a service, if you have managed
What we have seen is that we have started this exercise 2 years back, and what we have found is that the kind of growth we are getting from this town is more than what we are getting from the metro and the mini metro towns.
How much is it for the market?
As a size,
Yeah.
So we are talking about in Tamil Nadu.
Yeah, Tamil Nadu. The strategy you planning.
For this Rio.
No, total product.
No, are you talking about switches or are you talking about the total market?
The switches. that is
Switches,
where you are
switches.
targeting, right?
Switches, Tier 2, Tier 3 will be the market potential is very high because wants the number.
We want the number actually. So potentially, if you are talking about the Tier 2, Tier 3, it will be around, you can say around 50 crores.
So this 1 lakh SKUs, are they meant only for this state?
no, this is the plant capacity.
5 lakh.
5 lakh pieces. SKUs are being manufactured at this point of time because this is a small item and the value is less.
So it's only for Tamil Nadu, since you are planning a new strategy to go into Tier 2?
No, this is a strategy for the nationwide. This year we are focusing on Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities because Havells brand is known now and we have spent a lot of money on the brand awareness, brand building, and we have manufacturing capacity also, and we have invested whatever we have earned in this last 5 years, we have reinvested back into the factories, and we have made sure that the manufacturing capacities are there.
What about the Chinese competition? They also make-
No, Chinese manufacturing competition is not now there, and since we have invested, like I told you that Nimrana plant is manufacturing luminaires, lighting fixtures, which the European and the Latin American were earlier buying it from China. if you want to buy a good quality material from China, it will not cost you less than Indian price. But in China, the substandard material also is available, which some of the traders or the small businessmen, they bring it to India, sell it, and then they spoil the name of China also. In China, it is not that Chinese material today. The phone what you are having in your pockets, all of them are made in China. It is not that the good companies are not manufacturing material in China. We have done a joint venture in China also, and that is for the things. So China as a VO or the switches, the threat is not there.
So any idea of manufacturing air conditioners?
No, we have planned it 2 years back. We did a survey, and fortunately for us that we didn't enter into this business last year. We were planning to launch air conditioner last year, but then we found that we are a company dealing in the electrical products, and the electrical dealer conventionally, if you see, doesn't have a space to display or to show the air conditioner. And air conditioner conventionally they are sold through the white good counters. And last year the market also was not that very positive into the air conditioner. So we have dropped the idea at this point of time not to launch air conditioner.
Out of the 12 business verticals, which one makes good business here?
As far as volume is concerned, wires and cables gives us 40%.
Revenue based?
Revenue based.
Why is it?
Wires and
Cables.
But as far as the profit is concerned, switchgear gives us.
Switchgear cables.
So switchgear would include MCBs, switches, all of it.
MCB, the switches and the switchgears is the vertical what we call it as switchgear.
One
state
particular feature which I
gives you a good revenue.
presentation
State.
earlier was that there was a specific mention about, like while deliberating about your dreams of wanting to become number one. Advertising also, you said you want to become number one advertiser. That sounded a bit
Number
unusual.
one advertiser, what Anil was trying to tell you is that we spend close to around 125 to 150 crores on the publicity. On this IPL itself, we have spent close to around 30 crores. So we are spending a lot of money. So if you compare the budget, because we get the budgets of all the other companies, I think Anil would like to speak more about that. We spend a lot of money on the brand building or the publicity, so that the brand awareness is there with the consumer. It is easy for a dealer to sell the product or for a consumer to buy a product once the brand recall is there in his mind, because when he goes to the shop at that point of time, the brand recall should be there. There is a quote, what is easy to see is easy to miss also. You go to a mother dairy shop or a chain, you don't remember the name. You don't recall the color of the shirt which your colleague is worn or your wife has worn last night or the day. These kind of things are there. So we want to have a recall for the consumer also. Like even if you see, we have given 4 ads in this for fans in the IPL, which were mainly related to the human touch.
Which state your products sell most?
We have different products selling in different states, but Tamil Nadu we want to become a focus, because the consumption of the fan sale as well as lighting or the switches sale in Tamil Nadu consumption is a big market for us as far as the volume is concerned.
How much is the volume?
At this point,
400 crores.
close to around 400 crores.
What is the total market size, your total market size?
We as a company, last year our results was close to around 3,600 crores.
This is only these standalone.
Standalone, we are
This is
talking about
standalone.
Havells only.
This does not include Sylvania figures.
But East Calcutta is a strong market, North is a strong
How
market.
much?
Calcutta is a strong market. We are growing close to around 600 crores a year.
While talking about the percentage of sale between modular and non-modular switches, you were mentioning that it's about equal, like
50.
15% is there, it is 16%. Does that mean it's equally divided, the market share?
No, the size is also what Anil said, is close to around 3,000 crores, 15,000 crores, 1,500 is the modular, 1,500 is the modular. The growth also is almost similar in both the segments. And we were not present into the non-modular segment. So that segment we were not present, and this was a pressure or a demand from our dealer that why we are not manufacturing this product, because this is the product where the total value is very less and you have to produce more number of products to come to that volume and all. So we were not, and the number of SKUs also are more. You go to a retailer shop, he has got switch socket, 15 ampere, 5 ampere, then the different color, different choices and things like combinations. But fortunately, our management has taken this decision to make sure that we are present in B and C class town, and we are present in all retail counters, and we are present in this market. But we have given a product better than the conventional product which is available into the market.